Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, let's take a look at Tesla's stock because this thing may very likely break to new all-time highs. Why so? Let's take a look at all of that in this video through the lens of technicals. I'll also provide you the levels where your trailing areas could be, so that if we lose that zone, definitely that will break the structure on Tesla and we may not go to new all-time highs. But as we stay above those levels, as we talk about in this video, Tesla will most likely break to the new all-time highs, and because the structure is telling us so let's talk about all of that in this video. Once I also let you know, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. And if you are interested, just like Tesla, many other stocks, as per what type of trades are building up, long or swing or short or long-term plays as well, near-term swing long, near-term swing short. However, you can check out my collection on Patreon. You will find the link for this in the description of this video, and as per in these collections, you can go and check out the individual stocks, as I'll post updates regularly as how the trade plan is on these particular stocks. So there will be many stocks here. So definitely, and the list will keep building up. So you can check out the link in the description of this video if you are interested. Okay. So let's come back here on Tesla and let's talk about it. So Tesla, as previously on my Patreon and for the last week, particularly the levels that I provide to my members, we were already bullish for this week. The level was 429. As long as we stay above that, we will just remain bullish, and we remained bullish. Pullbacks got bought up, right? Everything is fine on Tesla, and so far it's going up. Now from where we are, the structure, regardless of what market is doing, let's get to QQQ real quick. Okay, QQQ is on a decline right now. S&P 500 is on a decline. Now technicals, we are not going to talk about it here. I'll put it out on my collection on my Patreon, definitely, and the regular updates will keep coming out. If you are interested, definitely check that link out in the description of this video. Now, so everything is falling. Look at SPY, NASDAQ 100, Microsoft, all any other stock you want to pick. However, Tesla always is usually against the grain. It's mostly when everything is going up, Tesla is falling. But Tesla lately has stabilized itself really well. And right now, Tesla is in a clear uptrend here. And especially, we have formed a really good base over here. Let's cut the story short. You want to know the level. Let's talk about the level. And that level is 439. Okay. As 435 to 439, it's a zone. As long as we stay above that zone, let me actually just move this thing here. As long as we stay above this zone, which we most likely will be 80% plus, probability is that we will continue up next week. The point is that as long as we are 435 to 439 above, you are just continuing a bullish play on the swing side on Tesla. And the way things are looking like, most likely we will break above 488. We will get above 500 plus on Tesla. Most likely next week is possible, as long as we hold in this structure. Now, definitely we can still go sideways here if 500 is not happening next week. But if we stay up here around 458 or 470, most likely the following week we will be going to the new all-time highs, definitely crossing 500. So we need to hold above 435 to 439. That's the important part, which means below that you have to have your stop loss or position management, however you want to do it. Now, if you have been following my play on Tesla from the week ago, where 429 was the trailing area, and if you have access to my tools, you already know that we are bullish. So you already know everything. Again, my tools are also on my Patreon. If you want them, check out my Patreon. Now, yeah, if you have been in the play on Tesla, definitely you just continue to hold this swing position. Right now, nothing to worry here, and we are just carrying over the position of the swing into the next week to the bullish side on Tesla. Everything is looking good on Tesla. That's all I had for you guys in this video. Very short information and concise information. and relevant. Definitely, if you want to know more about other stocks, check out my collection on Patreon. As I said, the link will be in the description of this video. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.